This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken lollipops. First, let's prepare the chicken drumettes by pushing the meat down to expose the bone, creating that classic lollipop shape. This step is crucial for presentation and even cooking. Next, gather all your ingredients, ensuring everything is ready before you begin the marination process. Now, let's talk about marination. For the best flavor, allow your chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours or even overnight in the refrigerator. This infuses the meat with all those wonderful spices. After marinating, prepare a simple batter using flour, cornstarch, and a little water, then coat each chicken piece evenly before frying. It's time to fry. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal crispiness and even cooking. Fry the chicken lollipops in small batches to prevent overcrowding and to maintain the oil's temperature. Cook them until they are beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked inside, which usually takes about 6 to 8 minutes per batch. Finally, let's finish these delicious lollipops. While the chicken is still warm, you can toss them in your favorite sweet and spicy sauce or serve the sauce on the side for dipping. Garnish with some fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for an extra touch. These are perfect as an appetizer or a fun main course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.